Hello everyone. Today we are understanding how to revert the number. Previously we have seen on how to reverse the string. So let's start then. Let's take one number which we have to revert. I will take the 1 to 5. We need one more parameter where we are storing the reverted number. Initially it should be 0. Let's take a while loop so we can iterate this number. So initially it should be greater than 0 because if it is 0 we don't need to iterate it, right? I also need one more parameter where we are taking the last digit because we have to start from last digit. Let's find the last number using the mod of 10. Here we'll get the last digit and we'll store that last digit to the reverted one. And we have to remove this last number because we don't want to print it again. Let me print this whole output. Let me show how it is working. Is stepwise. Let's see. Let's print all the three parameter. First let's take the last one, then reverted one, and third one is number which we are removing, right? So I will also add here, let's understand, you will clearly understand here. Number which we are, let's print it. First what I am doing, I am taking the last parameter, I am taking that last parameter, removing that parameter, and now in the second iteration I am adding that parameter into the reverted parameter. So we'll get that 5 4, the first two digits is reverted. Similarly the about three digits get reverted. So this way we are iterating the number. So thank you.